비 오는데 파전이나 먹을까? If you watch K-drama or K-movies, you probably heard that phrase before. There's a unique tradition in Korea. Koreans eat pajeon on a rainy day. Pajeon literally means green onion pancake. It is really simple to make. So today, let's make the basic pajeon. Place 1 large egg, add 1/3 cup of icy cold water, add half teaspoon of salt. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix well thoroughly. Make sure that there is no chunks. Finally, add 100 grams of chopped green onion and mix well with the batter. Turn the stove to medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Try 1 to 2 drops of the batter on the pan to check temperature. If it bubbles and floats up immediately, it is ready. Place the batter on the pan evenly. Let it sizzle for 3 minutes. Try to swirl the pan in between to evenly coat the oil on the surface of the pan and pajeon. Turn the stove to low heat and flip the pajeon. Add another 3 tablespoons of cooking oil around the edges. Let it sizzle for another 3 minutes. Swirl the pan in between. Flip and cook it for last 2 minutes. When the color of the pajeon becomes golden brown, it's ready to serve. You can always cook more to meet your preference. And finally, it's done. It's ready to serve. Enjoy your basic pajeon. For the dipping sauce, add half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of water, half tablespoon of vinegar, add half tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well. Enjoy your basic pajeon.